Just at a slower pace.
What do you got? What are y'all doing, man? What you smoking right there? What you smoking? Hold on. What you smoking? Where you got that cash? Why you got that cash? Tell me, Obama, we got that. Where's the other guy? Where'd the other guy go? He just drove off.
Bro, get this off me, bro.
You can't smoke here. You're in a lot of trouble now. You're in a lot of trouble now, okay?
Get this off me, bro.
Give me $500. I'll let you go. $500.
500?
$500. Okay, I'll get 300. Give me 300, bro.
Bro.
$300. I'll let you go.
Are you even a cop?
Well, I can't say that stuff, but yeah.
300. You gonna let me go?
300. I'll let you go. It's a fee. It's a penalty.
Let me
see. Pay the fine. But I won't do it in writing. You just give me 300.
Smoking, bro?
Yeah, you can't smoke here. That's why.
Show me the key.
Got the key right here. Show me the money.
Got the money, bro.
How you get all that money?
Let me go, bro.
What you doing around here to get all that?
Business, bro. Let me out these cuffs, bro.
Give me the money first.
Bro, bro. This is nothing to me, bro. This is nothing to me. Adding an extra 100 for you, bro. You can have this, bro. Appreciate that, bro. I ain't have to, deal with the rest.
Yeah, you don't have to deal with the law and all that. Oh, I knew that's why he's right. This money is fake. Oh. I mean, whatever. At the end of the day, they got pranked, so whatever. Yo, the guy's, he's pulling back up. Look, guys, I'm literally hiding right now behind the, I'm literally hiding, and he just pulled up again. What? Yo, he's looking for his boys. Oh my God, he's looking for his boys. He's looking for his boys. Oh my. Hey, come here, man. It's too loud. I already got your license plate. I already got everything. Come here, man. You got caught. What you doing over here? You looking for your friends? They already ran away. Yeah, I already know what the whole deal is, man. Put your hands right here. Put your hands right here, man.
Bro, I got a little something for you, bro. Come on, bro.
I'm not stupid. Your boy just gave me fake money, okay? I'm not dumb, man. I'm not dumb.
Fake, bro.
This is fake,
bro. You ain't got no scan on you, bro. Like, what the fuck? You know this fake. Like, come on, bro.
Listen, I need to search your vehicle, sir. I need to search your vehicle. Put your hands here for me. Put your hands here for me. Put your hands here. I don't want to put you in handcuffs. Look, I'm a nice guy, but I'm gonna search the vehicle and make sure there's nothing illegal in here. Oh my God, yeah. I swear it was a prank.